Hello students, this video is for grade 2nd. So let us start. In this sheet, we are having 3 different parts. In each part, we will get to know about a different subject. So all the subjects are English, Maths and EVS. Let us start with our first subject, Maths. Solve the given questions. Okay, these questions are of multiplication questions है. For these you must know the table. इनके लिए आपको tables learn होनी ज़रूरी है. Okay, from where to where? From 2 to 10. Tables आपको कहाँ तक learn होनी चाहिए? From 2 to 10. So today in this maths part we will revise table from 2 to 10. Speak up with me. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 35. 6 fives are 30. Sorry, 3 6 fives are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. So we have read table from 2 to 9. Now let's see our next section, which is of English. Identify the gender of the underlined noun. Okay, you are having so many sentences. यहाँ पे कुछ sentences हमें दिए हुए हैं और इनमें कुछ nouns को underline किया गया है, तो हमें पहचानना है कि ये noun क्या है, फीमेल है या फिर मेल है. The duck dived into the river, और या फिर आप कह सकते हैं वाटर. डक मतलब बतख. बतख पानी के अंदर डुबकी मार ली, या बतख ने पानी के अंदर डुबकी मारी. दिस इज फेमिनिन. FEMININE, फेमिनिन. 2 8s are 16. Understood? So what you will do in this? डक आपका क्या था, फेमिनिन. FEMININE. Okay, feminine. The next is the bride rode a mare to her wedding. Bride क्या है, bride मतलब दूल्हा. तो what is दूल्हा क्या होता है, कौन सा जेंडर है, it is male. So you will write masculine. MASCULINE, masculine. hen was found a hen has found a worm. hen ने एक worm को found किया, तो hen क्या है? It is female. So we will write feminine, FEMININE, feminine. Okay, so in this way you will identify the gender of underlined nouns. Now see the last section of the sheet, EVS. Match the following. Match करना है fruit को fruit से, flower को flower से, leaf को leaf से, and stem को stem से. I hope you can do this. And in the second question, label the given parts. 3 parts दे हुए हैं, उन्हें label करना है. Leaf कौन सी है, stem कौन सा है और flower कौन सा है. And I know you all are able to label these parts in the picture. I hope you all have understood this sheet very well. If you still have any kind of doubt related to any question, any topic, any subject, you can ask me. Thank you.